What's up, T-Bird Nation? Time for your T-Bird Math Minute. This is Mr. Lortzen, at Math Lortzen. Like this video and I'll DM my honest opinion of your math skills. Just kidding. Let's get to it.
Our three questions today deal with slope, lines, and equations for lines. Question 1. Find the slope of the line. The equation is 6x minus y equals 1. Question 2. Find the slope of the line through the pair of points. The pair of points is -7, -4, and 12, 1. Write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line. Teachers, go ahead and pause the video. Let the young lads work it out. Question 1 wants us to find the slope of the line. This equation right here is representing a line. We want to find the slope of it. Finding the slope of a line is easy when it's in a certain form. Probably the easiest form is slope-intercept form, which is also y equals mx plus b. It's easy to find slope when it's in this form because the slope is going to be the m value, the number that's right in front of the x. But it's only this case when the y value is all by itself and it's a positive y. So this is how I'm going to solve it. I got 6x minus y equals 1. My goal is going to be to get this y value by itself and to make it positive. So first I'm going to add y to both sides to achieve that goal of getting a positive y. So 6x equals 1 plus y. I need y completely by itself, so I subtract the 1 on both sides. So I end up with y equals 6x minus 1. It's okay to write it as y equals 6x minus 1 also. But the main thing is the slope is the number right in front of the x. The m value, in this case, letter D, 6 is your correct answer. Question 2 wants us to find the slope of the line that's going through 2 points. It's given us the 2 points. Easiest way here is to use the formula that slope is equal to y over y1 on top of a fraction over x minus x1 on the bottom of the fraction. You also might have heard it said change in y over change in x. Basically, we're going to take the x values and subtract them on the bottom, take the y values and subtract them on the top. So here we go. I'm using m to represent slope. Y is on top, -4 minus 1. X is on bottom, -7 minus 12. I get -5 over -19. When I divide a negative by a negative, I end up with a positive. B is your correct answer. Question 3. We want to write the slope-intercept form of the equation of this line right here. When you hear that phrase slope-intercept form, hopefully your mind is taking you to y equals mx plus b, or the viral YouTube hit that was dropped in 2013 and almost got 300 views in 3 years. Anyways, slope-intercept form is great because it gives you the slope, which is the value in front of the x, and it gives you the y-intercept represented by the b value. So the key thing for this problem is to find, with this line, what's the slope and what's the y-intercept. Once you find the slope, plug it in for the m value. Once you find the y-intercept, plug it in for the b value. So let's find slope first. I think it's easiest to find slope by just picking 2 good points that cross at nice even intersections. Keep track of your vertical change first. So you went up 1, and then you went to the right 3. That means we have a slope of 1 over 3. The y-intercept can be found at the place where the line crosses the y-axis. That point is 0, 3. Therefore, your y-intercept is 3. checking my answers here, I need to find the equation that has a slope or an m value of 1/3 and it has a y-intercept of 3. That looks like C does the job there with 1/3 and 3. Thanks for watching the T-Bird Minute. Stay tuned for next week's Math Minute.